Discover the top miter saws that offer precision, power, and versatility for your woodworking projects. Our carefully curated list features the best miter saws from trusted brands, ensuring reliable performance and durable construction. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best miter saw you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The Evolution Power Tools R1 85 SMS Plus is a standout in the realm of miter saws, securing its place as the number 5 best miter saw on the market. Featuring a robust 10A high-torque motor paired with an optimized gearbox and blade system, this saw effortlessly slices through up to 1/4 mild steel. Versatility defines the R1 85 SMS Plus with its 0 to 45 degree bevel cutting capability. Adjustments are straightforward, simply loosen the locking lever and set your angle using the bevel scale. For miter cuts, the saw provides a range from -50 to +50 degrees, easily set via a clear miter scale and positive stops at common angles. Precision is enhanced with several exclusive features. The saw comes equipped with a premium Japanese tungsten carbide-tipped blade, a laser for guided accuracy, and a 3-piece clamp system that ensures minimal movement during cuts. Portability is also a key feature thanks to integrated carry handles and a 10-foot power cable that offers extended reach without the need for extension cords. A dust bag is included to maintain a clean work environment. The R1 85 SMS Plus excels in multi-material cutting, handling mild steel, wood with nails, copper, plastic, and more, making it a versatile tool for any workshop. The Dewalt DWS780R is a top-tier miter saw, ranked second in its category thanks to its impressive features and innovative design. It boasts the integrated cutline blade positioning system, which provides an adjustment-free cutline indication, enhancing accuracy and visibility with its 12-inch blade. The XPS technology uses an LED to cast light on either side of the blade, creating a shadow on the cutline for precision cutting. Efficiency is key with the DWS780R's dust collection system, which captures over 75% of the dust generated, maintaining a clean workspace. Its tall sliding fences are capable of supporting crown molding up to 7 1/2 inches nested and base molding up to 6 3/4 inches vertically, and they conveniently slide out of the way for bevel cuts. The saw's exclusive back fence design allows it to cut up to 2x14 dimensional lumber at 90 degrees and 2x10 at 45 degrees. With an adjustable stainless steel miter detent plate featuring 10 positive stops, it enhances productivity and cutting accuracy. It miters 60 degrees to the right and 50 degrees to the left, offering increased capacity. The oversized bevel scale ensures precise bevel adjustments, while its compact, lightweight design makes it easily transportable. Ranked as the number 3 best miter saw, the Metabo HPT compound miter saw is an essential tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This 10-inch table saw features a robust vise clamping system, providing exceptional material support for fast and precise cuts. Its single bevel design ensures it handles a variety of cutting tasks with ease. Weighing just 24.2 pounds, this portable miter saw is easy to maneuver and transport. It boasts thumb-actuated positive stops, facilitating quick and accurate miter adjustments. Equipped with a 15-amp motor, it delivers impressive power, reaching a no-load speed of up to 5,000 RPM, making it ideal for even the toughest woodworking projects. Safety is a priority with the Metabo HPT miter saw. It includes an electric brake that stops the blade's rotation within seconds, a built-in blade guard, and a horizontal handle for secure operation. The saw offers a versatile 0 to 52 degree miter angle range to the left and right, and a 0 to the 45 degree bevel range to the left with adjustable bevel stops for precise cuts. The Dewalt DHS790AB Flexvolt miter saw stands as the second best in its category, delivering unmatched power and versatility. This 12-inch miter saw operates on a 120V max system, offering the flexibility of cordless convenience combined with the robust performance of a corded tool. A brushless motor ensures extended runtime and durability, while the integrated cut-line blade positioning system enhances accuracy and visibility. The saw features a high-visibility bevel scale, facilitating precise bevel angle adjustments, and tall sliding fences that support crown molding up to 7 1/2 inches nested and base molding up to 6 3/4 inches vertically. The adjustable stainless steel miter detent plate, with 11 detents ranging 60 degrees to the right and 50 degrees to the left, expands cutting capacity and versatility. This sliding miter saw is a testament to Dewalt's commitment to innovation. The Flexvolt system represents a groundbreaking advancement in cordless tool technology. Its unique battery automatically switches between two voltages, adapting to the tool in use. The Evolution Power Tools R255 SMS DB Plus is heralded as the #1 best miter saw, offering a suite of features designed to enhance precision, efficiency, and versatility. At its core is a powerful 15A high-torque motor equipped with an optimized gearbox and blade system, capable of cutting through up to 1/8 inch mild steel with ease. The dual bevel tilt ranges from -45 to +45 degrees, eliminating the need to flip the workpiece for beveled finishes. Additionally, the saw boasts a 50-degree miter cutting capacity, allowing for precise angled cuts with base detents. Laser-guided accuracy ensures perfect straight-line cuts, while the premium Japanese tungsten carbide-tipped blade, featuring more teeth, provides cleaner cuts. The saw's taller neck and fence extend its cutting capacity, accommodating larger workpieces. A quick release clamp secures workpieces swiftly and securely. To maintain a clean work environment, the saw includes a dust bag for debris collection via the rear dust port. Portability is enhanced with integrated carry handles and an extended 13-foot power cable, eliminating the need for extensions. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.